Hey, I'm Randy with BBQGuys, and today we'll be checking out the Weber SmokeFire. Of course, this being a Wi-Fi pellet grill, cruising at low and slow temps is as easy as can be. But you're also covered on the high heat end with the ability to reach searing temperatures. And hey, Weber's been a household name for decades. So as you'd expect, the SmokeFire continues their legacy of innovation. Let's check it out.
The SmokeFire is fueled by a 22-pound pellet hopper, which runs along the back of the grill. Inside, this ramp leads the pellets toward the auger, allowing you to add pellets from the right side of the grill. Weber offers their pure hardwood pellets in a range of popular smoking flavors, allowing you to pair the perfect wood-fired flavor profile with whatever you choose to cook. The right side of the hopper features this Weber Connect LCD display. Set your target temp anywhere from a low and slow smoke of 200 degrees and a high of 600 degrees. Once set, the auger at the bottom of the hopper will transport the amount of pellets needed to reach and maintain your target temp. Weber uses a DC-powered engine and a short auger, measuring at about 8 inches to feed pellets quickly to the firepot. This design is aimed at preventing auger jams and making the feed of pellets efficient. Once the pellets reach the firepot, the SmokeFire's glow plug ignition lights them, while the integrated fan stokes the fire to reach and maintain the grill's set temp. The ambient heat probe of the SmokeFire is mounted right above grid level, so you know exactly when your grill is done preheating and at the perfect temperature to cook. Adding to the ease of this grill, the Weber Connect app allows you to pair with the SmokeFire through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. The app even has step-by-step guides to walk you through the entire cooking process. From knowing the right time to flip your food, to how long to rest it after you remove it from the grill, you will have the confidence to get perfect results every time. To keep a close eye on cooking progress, the Weber Connect display has 4 ports for temperature probes. The SmokeFire comes with one included probe. When roasting these chicken quarters across the whole grill, it was nice to be able to check in on the progress through the app. For times you're near the grill, the LCD display on the hopper is also very easy to read. You can even set target food temperature alerts on each probe, making it easy to focus on entertaining without worrying about overshooting doneness. When it comes to maintaining fuel levels, the SmokeFire has a sensor at the bottom of the hopper designed to alert you when it's time to refuel. Inside the SmokeFire, you will find a dual-level cooking area. The EX6 we are looking at today has 1,008 square inches of cooking space. This is plenty of room to smoke a large batch of food for a party. The top rack provides 360 square inches of space. It can be easily removed when not needed. The bottom cooking area of the EX6 provides 648 square inches, plenty of space for grilling up a large batch of burgers. The cooking grates of the SmokeFire are plated steel. I found they retained enough heat to put nice marks on what I cooked. Under the grids, you'll find SmokeFire's flame taming and heat distribution system. Weber actually uses the same style flavorizer bars here as they do in their gas grills. These flavorizer bars are made out of 304 stainless steel for durability. They provide surface area for drippings to catch and vaporize, adding to the smoky flavor you get while cooking. The gaps of space between the flavorizer bars allow enough airflow for flame to hit your food when grilling at high temps. The SmokeFire's ability to get flame kiss is a contrast to some pellet grill designs, which feature a non-perforated grease baffle beneath the cooking surface. In the middle of the flavorizer bars, you'll find Weber's porcelain-enameled heat distribution plate. This sits above the auger and firepot, protecting them from falling grease while helping even out the heat as it rises to the cooking surface. Directly above the firepot, you'll find the SmokeFire's lower heat baffle. This adds a second layer of heat diffusion. This double-layer design allows you to smoke across the entire grill surface with indirect heat. I also tested the SmokeFire's ability to grill across the whole surface with a batch of burgers. The baffles worked pretty good at high heat as well. The center area right above the firepot burned a bit hotter and was more likely to get flame kiss than the edges of the grill. When it comes to smoke circulation, the SmokeFire vents out the back wall of the grill right near the level of the top cooking rack. This forces the smoke to pass by your food evenly before exiting the back of the grill. The lid also has this overlapping flange that runs along the front, which helps cut down on smoke loss. I let these chicken quarters smoke for the first hour to soak up some applewood flavor, then cranked up the temp to let that skin crisp. The SmokeFire's temperature range really gives you the versatility to smoke and grill with the push of a button. Under the secondary heat baffle, you can see Weber's centrally located fire pot. For easy cleaning, the bottom of it is perforated, allowing ash to fall into the drawer beneath. Grease is also directed to the drip pan below. After grilling, simply slide out this drawer and remove any debris. The inner tray fits Weber's disposable liners for a quick cleanout. For times when you want to swap pellet flavors, there is this hopper cleanout slide on the rear of the grill. The right side of the SmokeFire features a stainless steel side table with tool hooks for keeping everything close at hand. The lid of the grill is porcelain enameled steel with stainless accents. The lid and side handle are stainless steel as well. The SmokeFire is available in two size options, the EX6 we looked at today, as well as the smaller EX4 model.
Thanks for watching today. If you have any questions about Weber or any of their products, give us a call or visit us online. Be sure to check back often, and remember, at BBQGuys, we smoke the competition.